Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we divine into the world of Mimar dress. Mimar coloring at the portions of your designs. We are going to create something truly and any timely. The Mimar project is a peaceful. The Mardress is now for its intricate designs that follow from the neckline down to the hem, and it's usually fracture are fitted borders an elegant waistline and gently flared or full length skirt that give it the florals and handmade charms. Its beauty too for this design is that you can easily add a long lace sleeves for a more floral designs. A quick moment. Yeah, so great subtle border. The longer you work, the more I see your dress coming to life, turning into a piece uniquely yours. The sound of the hook passing through the right thumb of your hand. It's soothing, almost meditative, gorgeous note, but it's a slow art and that what make the Mimar dress so special. Mimar dressing and curling are the mixing at the bout of your hook. When it's done, hold it up and admire the Mimar dress is more than just a piece clothing. It's a reflection of your passion and artist. Every pattern you build carries your energy and love. Handmade clothing can connect your wish hours are finished at your family, cutting a festival occasion or shiny outdoor events. You don't only look stunning, but you are also carrying a sense of pride that no stores both it item can replace. And finally, remember to take care of your crochet masterpiece. Always hand wash it gently in cold water. Use mild detergent and lay it flat to dry. Avoid hanging it what so it does not scratch. Proper care. This dress will stay beautifully for years. A handmade treasures that can even be passed on to something special. Once art section are complete, it's time to finishing touches, waves, naldos, and carefully use tapestry needles. Lay out a flat gently stained pocket. Use flower at the shoulder can add extra charm. Every details you and make your dress once are kind, better done. Don't miss someone special. Thank you so much for watching and following along with this tutorial. If you enjoy this journey, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel and click bell icon so you never miss your new designs. Leave a comment below and tell me what color you plan to make your Mimar dress.